So continuing on to this problem, I know 3 senior tickets plus a child ticket is for $38. In the second situation, they still sell 3 senior tickets, but then they sell 2 child tickets, and that actually equals $52. So basically what I have to do now is I have to find a way to cancel out these 3x's. So I'm just going to multiply this whole equation by -1, and then I get -3x minus y equals -38. The reason I did that is because I know -38 and I know that -3x and +3x will equal 0, and I'll be left with y, which is what I want. So now when I combine them, this equals 0, and then I'm left with -y plus 2y is +y equals the difference between -38 and 52 is 14 positive. So we have y equals 14, and I see y was my child's ticket. So each child's ticket cost $14. Okay, now I need to go back and find senior ticket. So I'm going to go back to one of my original equations. I'll do the 3x plus y equals 38. So I know y is 14, so 3x plus 14 equals 38. And then I'm going to subtract 14 on both sides. 3x equals 24. And then if I divide by 3 on both sides, I know that x equals 8. So a child's ticket is $14. A senior ticket is $8. Again, our 2 bonuses are next. And then if I look up here, I'm doing the same thing that I did in number 4. So the State Fair is a popular field trip destination. This year, the senior class at High School A and the senior class at High School B both planned trips there. The senior class at High School A rented and filled 8 vans and 8 buses with 240 students. So I'm going to say 8x and 8b. So I'm going to say x equals vans, and I'm sorry, it's actually going to be 8y. And then y equals buses. So 8x plus 8y equals 240. High School B rented and filled 4 vans, that's 4x, and 1 bus with 54 students. So that's 4x plus y equals 54. And then find the number of students in each van and in each bus. So a couple different things I could do here. I'm going to multiply this equation by -2, because -2 times 4 is -8, and I can cancel these out. So my top equation stays the same. And then I get -8x minus 2y equals negative, and then 54 times 2, 108. So this equals 0, and I'm left with 6y equals, and then 240 plus a -108. I'm just subtracting. My answer is going to be positive. Two minus 1 is 1. Okay, and then I have to divide by 6. So y equals 22. Y was the kids in the buses. So in each bus, there were 22 students. Now I have to go back and figure out vans, which was x. So I'm going to use the bottom equation, 4x plus y equals 54. I know y is 22, so 4x plus 22 equals 54. Subtract 22 from both sides. 4x equals 32, and I know that x equals 8.